Yo, what's up guys? This is Theo here. Welcome back to Introduction to C++ Programming here on SoloLearn Everyone Can Code. Conditionals and loops, we are on part 9. So let's get started with the else statement. So an if statement can be followed by an optional else statement which executes when the condition is false. So again, here's the syntax. We learned about the if statement, which takes in a condition, and then else is going to be what happens if this condition is not met. So the compiler will test the condition. If it evaluates to true, then the code inside the if statement will be executed. If it evaluates to false, then the code inside the else statement will be executed. So it's if-else, logically. When only one statement is used inside the if-else, then the curly braces can be omitted. So fill in the blanks to check if the age variable is greater than 18. So we'll say if age is greater than 18, then print out adult. Awesome. So the else statement, for example, we have an integer of mark set equal to 90. We say if mark is less than 50, okay, like your grade, then print out you failed, else print out you passed. So because this is 90, it'll come into this block of else, and it'll print out you passed. So fill in the missing parts of the following code. We have an integer x set to the value of 22, and we'll say if x is greater than 33, print out x is greater than 33, but because it's not, it'll print out x is not greater than 33. Cool. So let's look at another example. You can use as many as you want. So here we have if mark is less than 50. We have various lines being printed, and you can sort of see, it doesn't just stop with one. You can nest multiple statements inside there. Awesome. So how many statements could be placed between if braces? As many as you want. That's the answer. Nested if statements, you can also include or nest if statements within another if statement. Okay, so here we have is mark is greater than or equal to 50, and then inside of here we have another test. If it's equal to 100, then we're going to say perfect. Okay, so we sort of see that nesting going on. Fill in the missing parts of the nested if statements to print it works to the screen. So here we have the integer x set to 37, and we say if x is greater than 22, okay, then we're going to write another if condition nested. We say if x is greater than 31, then print out the console, it works. Awesome. So nested if-else statements. C++ provides the option of nesting an unlimited number of if-else statements. So here we have int age equals 18. We say if age is greater than 14, then inside of there, we're going to do another check. It's greater than or equal to 18. Otherwise, print teenager. And otherwise, if it's not greater than 14, then we're going to check if it's greater than 0. Okay, print child. Otherwise, something's wrong. Okay, so you would likely never, you wouldn't ever get into this condition, but it's just to show you, you can have more checks on the logic of your code and the control flow. Remember that all else statements must have corresponding if statements. Okay. So how many nested if statements can an if statement contain? So that would be as many as you want again. The if-else statement. In if-else statements, a single statement can be included without enclosing it into curly braces. So here we see if a is greater than 4, then we don't need any brackets because it's one statement. Otherwise, again, no brackets. We're just printing out no. Including the curly braces, however, is good practice as they clarify the code, make it easier to read. I believe that. So fill in the blanks to compare the variables and print the printing in the else text to the screen. So we'll say if x is, we'll say if, let me change that. Let's see if I can go back and change that. If y is greater than x, okay, which it is. Sorry, I messed up. If x is greater than y, print this. Otherwise, print it, putting in the else. Awesome. All right, guys. So that was it for part 9, the else statement on Introduction to C++. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and support the channel. It means a lot. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care and have a great day.